Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now, I said on my last video that I was waiting for my delivery to come, my boxes. Well, they've all come together. We're going to open the first box now. Well, slice through the packaging. Right, get it all out. That's just empty now. Right, so I'll go through it all once well, I'll show you these first. Oh. A nice pair of Kim Yuan gloves. Actually, try them on. So it's kind of cold in here. Right, that's the gloves. Now, so that is a nice little ingot mould. Just put that one there. And that is the second graphite ingot mould. Need to keep these. And then this is it's in this one, and that is the skull mould, ingot skull mould. Now, can anyone guess what I've said that I'm waiting for the big mystery box? What I'm going to be doing? Well, you're going to find out. So I'm just going to open this box. Best way to open this. Okay. Ooh, it's a bit stiff then. But so, can anyone guess what I'm going to be doing? To put some WD-40 on them, to loosen them up. Let's just lay these flat. So this is the big box. I've been saving. Yeah, these are a lot sturdier. So let's put them with that. Well, it's nicely packaged, that's for sure. Oh, there. I'll get that out. Just be careful. That's off. Just put that there a minute. So I've got the contents out. Happy all guest chairs. Another pair of gloves. Look at them. Now, just let me see if we can get this out without dropping it. Ooh. There's a lot of stuff in here, like. Right, I've actually run out of space. Just put that there a minute. There. So, let me try something. Actually, try these. So anyway, I've got myself a forge. It's a propane melting furnace for obviously for melting metal down, i.e. copper, brass and aluminium. So obviously you have that in the furnace, pour your metal. So there's a lot of stuff obviously I've got here. So I've got me 2 ingot moulds, my ingot skull and another crucible. Just gonna, obviously I haven't got a gas bottle so I can't do a test or nothing, but some of the stuff you get with it. So there's the graphite stuff on there. Just trying to get this open. I'll just so I'm guessing, because I need to get the other part out. That's some tape, which I think will be for either this, I'm not sure. I don't want to be losing any bits. Obviously this will be for, oh yeah, by the way, it is a Viva furnace. It's not a double forge or nothing. So, of course, that will obviously go into that. Obviously, that will go somewhere on that. There's some instructions. Well, obviously, the instructions are there. I'll just put them. So basically, yeah, that will be obviously going to there onto gas bottle, which is going to be for that. Which I'll be doing a full video and setting this up and then doing my first pour. So I'm going to take everything out, like, but you can get the gist of everything what I've shown. So that's why I was saying that I was going to be stripping all those singles. And obviously I've got singles here, so I don't really have to bother going over there. So obviously stripping all this down, and I'm going to be pouring copper ingots, the do some brass ingots as well, so I've got some brass there that we can melt down. And I've got aluminium cans, but they're they're over there somewhere. So I'm quite, and I will put a link in for all the stuff if you'd like me to. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe, and also, most importantly, leave your comments.